All right, well, today I installed the shifter cable, the bracket on the side of the transmission for the shifter cable, and adjusted the cables. So we'll take a look. Yeah, the inside, again, the inside of this vehicle has been owned by many people. So installed the shifter, and the carpet in this area here was kind of hacked up. I do plan on getting a new carpet, but for now I just put a like a floor mat down over the top and screwed her down. So here's the shifter I'm going with. It's just a B&M Pro ratchet. It's what I had, so it's what I'm going with. I've got one screw back here and a couple up here with some 1/4-20s going all the way through, tightening up through the tunnel. I had my daughter screw up here while I was holding down below, so works pretty good. This is a 4-speed and it's attached to my 4L60E. So on the shifter there's a pin that you pull out back here. Pull this pin out and it gives you an extra gate so you can get down into having 4 gears. So there's a 1, 2, 3, and then 4, or drive, and then you got to click this up so you can get it up into, well, you don't have to click that up for neutral, but you do have to for reverse and park. So pretty nifty. I like B&M. I don't plan on racing this thing or anything, but these units are very smooth. A little bit loud, but when your engine's on, running, you can't hear it. So let's go down below and I'll show you the cable. The cable on these GMs goes this way, loops around underneath the floorboard, comes back around and ties into your shifter linkage on the side of your transmission. I'll show you. Alrighty then. Well, where are we? Okay. So takes a little bit of adjustment once you get all this mechanism put in here. You'll install this bracket and you will install this bracket. Then you will put your shifter cable through here. I recommend that you come all the way to the back here. So I have plenty of threads here forward. Go all the way to the back. And I actually had to remove the one washer between this nut and the bracket so I could get extra thread protrusion on this nut right here. So the way you adjust these is you just, this is park, so you have it all the way up in park, shift your shifter up in the cab all the way up in the park, and pull this out. And see how much you have to adjust this nut, either in or out, for it to slide into that hole easily. At least this is the way I do it. Then just put it back in there, then go all the way into low, pull it all the way down into low, and this thing will move all the way forward. Pull this nut out again, and make any adjustments on this nut so it goes in and out of this linkage hole. Once you do that a couple times, you're good to go. The cable does loop around under the tranny, goes up into the floorboard up in there. So pretty simple to hook these things up. A little close to the tranny here. I'll go ahead and tie it back, do whatever it is I have to do, but I'm all right with that. I'm satisfied with that. All right, that's what it looks like installed. On a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission. And up in the Never Never land.